ChatGPT versus Wall Street. AI picks stocks against the S&P 500. I wanted to see if AI could compete with human investors, so I had ChatGPT pick 5 stocks. I invested $5,000 equally in those stocks and set up a $5,000 S&P 500 house ETF benchmark. After 12 months, the AI portfolio returned 23.2% against the S&P 500's 20.5%. In January 2025, I prompted ChatGPT with one request to select 5 U.S. stocks. An S&P 500 ETF, VOO, served as a benchmark. The AI relied on company fundamentals, not real-time data. Wall Street holds advantages in data and resources, but ChatGPT can generate stock ideas and simplify finance concepts. ChatGPT excels at idea generation, but should not make final investment decisions. Verify suggestions with reliable financial platforms before investing. This blog covers the chosen stocks, performance details, and lessons learned. The challenge was clear. Select 5 stocks and monitor them for a year without active management. I provided rules before buying: $5,000 capital, $1,000 per stock, VOO benchmark, no leverage, buy and hold, 1 rebalance if a stock dropped over 30%, and dividend reinvestment. Here are the stocks ChatGPT picked. 1. MSFT. Cloud and AI sector leader, 20%. 2. NVDA. Dominant GPU supplier in AI, 20%. 3. Cost. Membership model with pricing power, 20%. 4. LY. Obesity drug franchise, 20%. 5. JPM. Strong bank with solid balance sheet, 20%. All shares were executed on January 3, 2025. ChatGPT's mini portfolio achieved 23.2%, outperforming an actively managed fund at 18.8%. Top performers, NVDA, plus 41%, and LLY, plus 32%, were driven by AI and drug demand. However, JPM lagged, plus 2%. The concentrated 5-stock portfolio showed risks during market pullbacks compared to VOO. ChatGPT's stock selection emphasized strong balance sheets and recurring revenue while capturing trends like AI and healthcare. However, it lacked real-time data access and market anticipatory capabilities. Its thinking was driven by historical patterns relying on well-known companies. Missed opportunities like JPM's underperformance reveal AI limitations. ChatGPT can't replace fund managers. They manage risk, execution, compliance, and real-time decisions in volatile markets. AI helps with idea generation and data analysis, but human judgment is crucial. To safely use ChatGPT for investing, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Diversify beyond AI-generated picks and consider low-cost index funds. Copy these prompts to get started. 1. List 5 U.S. large-cap companies with strong balance sheets and explain. 2. Compare these 3 stocks on valuation metrics. 3. Give the bear case for stock X. AI can process vast data quickly but make errors. Verify generated ideas on reputable platforms. Key experiment biases include time period bias and potential backfitting in prompts. AI accuracy can drop without comprehensive context. Final thoughts. AI can sometimes emulate or slightly outperform the S&P 500. Use ChatGPT for educational purposes and for validating your own ideas, but don't rely solely on it. FAQs. 1. Can ChatGPT give stock picks? No, it provides educational content, not personalized advice. 2. Can it see live stock prices? No, it relies on outdated static data. 3. How many stocks should I let it pick? A 5-stock portfolio is fine for learning, but diversify with more positions. 4. Can ChatGPT help me beat the S&P 500 consistently? Consistently beating it is challenging. Focus on long-term goals instead. 5. How to start using ChatGPT. Practice with educational questions before seeking stock lists. Always verify data independently.